Hi, Joel from Field, and today we're going to set up and launch your online booking page. Your online booking page or customer portal is your way for customers to connect with you and find their next service. The customer portal is much more than just a self-scheduling page. This is where customers can create an account with your company, keep track of their assets, buy and send gift cards, rebook previous services, and more. It's the forefront of the modern customer experience that you can provide with Field. To get started, head to your settings, find online scheduling, and click Style. This is where you can customize the online portal to look and feel like your company. You can adjust colors, fonts, the map, and even the text used to describe elements on the page. If you want to keep it simple, you can customize the elements you care about, and the rest are all ready to go. So you can start taking appointments and make sure your customers have all the information they need. Once you press save, you'll move on to installation. There are a few different ways you can host your customer portal. First is a simple link. Just copy the link provided and place it on your website, Google Business profile, emails, or wherever it works best for you. Customers can click that link and start booking right away. You can also brand the link to your own domain by following the steps below. If you'd rather embed your booking page into your website, you can insert an iframe or a Book Now button. You can also download a QR code to place on print materials. This will take the customer directly to the customer portal when they scan it. From here, you're done. Customers can now visit your booking page, create an account, and book their first service with you. But there are some additional tools you can set up to further customize the booking experience. Right below installation, you'll see booking questions. This section allows you to gather important information from the customer before they book. That way, you're fully prepared before the job starts. If you want to store long-term details about a customer, you can ask those questions in the intake form. These answers will be saved to their profile, and they can log in to update the information later if needed. Next is customer assets. These are the items or locations that your services are performed on, like cars, homes, or equipment, depending on your industry. Once an asset is added, it's saved to their profile, so they don't need to re-enter the information when booking again. Below that, you can add a link to your terms and conditions. Customers will be prompted to accept these before completing a booking. You can also set your cancellation policy here. If a customer cancels, you can collect feedback to understand why and choose whether or not to prompt them to reschedule. You'll also find options to connect third-party analytics tools to your booking page. But keep in mind, Field automatically tracks your customer portal visits with no setup needed. You can view these insights and follow up with unbooked leads using magic data inside the Leads tab. Next is the booking source section. This shows you where your customers are finding your booking page. These sources are tracked for you and can be viewed directly from your dashboard. Lastly, there are some additional settings to further customize your booking flow. Any updates you make in any of these sections will be reflected immediately on your customer portal. And that's it. Your booking page is live, and your customers are ready to book their first service, all without you having to pick up your phone. Ready to master the rest of your business with Field? Get started for free today.